a wig with long hair. I have got round big glasses. I have a hat with white stars. My hair is yellow. Happy Carnival.
Hello, my name is Ainhoa. I have got a shiny wig with long, straight silver hair, wearing big, round, colorful glasses. I have a red and white hat. Happy Carnival.
Happy Carnival.
Hello, my name is Bruna. I am a musical star. I have a big pink hat. I have a with long straight black hair. I am wearing necklace colorful. Happy Carnival.
Happy Carnival.
Hello, my name is Julia. I'm a musical star. I have got a wig with long, straight yellow hair. I have a big black hat. Happy Carnival.
Happy Carnival.
Hello, my name is Jan. I have got a wig with long, straight yellow hair. I have a pink, shiny hat. I am a zombie. I wearing orange glasses. I have got big red nose. Happy Carnival.
Happy Carnival.
Hello, my name is Raymond. I am a bull. I have got a big red nose. I have a hat like a bull. Happy Carnival.
Happy Carnival.
Hello, my name is Yara. I'm a mother. I've got a shiny pink hat. I'm wearing big round glasses. I've got a wig with long curly long hair. Happy Carnival.
Happy Carnival.
Hello, my name is Arlene. I am a music star. I got a big black hat. I got a big red glasses. Happy Carnival.
Happy Carnival.
Hello, my name is Zona. I am a leopard. I am wearing a leopard headband. I have got a necklace with colorful flowers. Happy Carnival.
Happy Carnival.
Hello, my name is Nico. I am a clown.
Hello, my name is Carol. I am a policeman. Have got a long hair. I'm wearing glasses and the policeman hat. Happy Carnival.
Happy Carnival.
Hello, my name is Jacob. I am a musical star.
Hello, my name is Samuel. I am a musical star and I'm wearing glasses. Happy Carnival.
Hello, my name is Anna. I am Minnie Mouse. He has got a black ear. I'm wearing a necklace of flowers. Flowers are beautiful like a rainbow. Happy Carnival.
Happy Carnival.
Hello, my name is Julia. I'm a musical star. I have got a wig with long, straight yellow hair. I'm wearing a necklace with colorful flowers. I'm wearing a shiny pink hat. Happy Carnival! Happy Carnival! Hello, my name is Laia. I'm a music rock star. I have got a wig with long curly fair hair. I'm wearing glasses. I'm wearing a necklace with colorful flowers. Happy Carnival!
Happy Carnival!
Hello, my name is Paul. I'm a cowboy. I have a big cowboy hat. I have got wig with long straight black hair. I'm wearing glasses. Happy Carnival!
Happy Carnival!
Hello, my name is Arnau and I am a police officer. I have sex with a crocodile or hippopotamus. Happy Carnival!
Happy Carnival!